Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to make a volcano erupt as a experiment.
The baking soda and the vinegar make carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide makes the volcano erupt like in real life.
All right, you want to go ahead? Baking soda first.
Whoa. A little too much baking soda. Ooh, this is going to be awesome. What the heck?
Gonna add some more.
Yeah.
Add a little bit more.
What if we add red food coloring?
Oh, it's kind of too late to do that now.
Come on, Molly. What the heck?
That was kind of neat. It came down the side. Go ahead and pour that in.
Yeah, that would be better.
There you go.
That's much better.
Yeah. Wow.
That was pretty fun, huh?
It was.
That was a quick one. You want to say anything?
Like and subscribe. If you want to see another one of these videos, make sure to do a comment below.